self-restraint, again, is just having a filter and being a little discriminate about who you'll listen to. But self-censorship is when, we start cutting off family members, or, dropping people that we've been friends with for years because they voted a different way than we did, or because, maybe we have different opinions about, some political topic, point where we have to start pretending to each other. I think that causes a lot of stress. It also costs a lot of cognitive energy. It's like being a double agent or something, where you're standing around with all the other soccer moms and pretending, smiling and nodding. It's a lot of mental effort, and then you're not even getting any genuine social connection out of it. So, also, more mental health benefits of free speech here is that putting things into words boosts problem solving skills. This is something that shouldn't be any surprise at all. We don't need psychology studies to tell us this, but of course, there are thousands showing that, when you have competent, knowledgeable people, they make more progress and come up with better solutions to problems. When they talk about the problem with other people and engage in problem solving dialogue, that's how they get more creative and learn from each other, right? So there's a million and one reasons why free speech is good for mental health. It's empowering, and it helps us to solve problems, which increases our self-efficacy, which is our belief in our ability to solve problems in the world. And self-efficacy is very strongly associated with good mental health outcomes.